What's the meaning of alpha radiation? Alpha radiation. Alpha radiation. Alpha radiation. Alpha radiation. Alpha radiation.
Alpha radiation is a type of ionizing radiation that consists of high-energy alpha particles. Alpha particles are made up of 2 protons and 2 neutrons, similar to a helium nucleus. They have a limited range and can be stopped by a sheet of paper or the outer layer of skin. However, if alpha particles are ingested or inhaled, they can cause significant damage to the body's tissues, potentially leading to cancer or other serious health problems. Despite its dangers, alpha radiation is also used in a variety of applications, including power generation and medical treatments.